impacted include Fort Madison, Mount Pleasant, West Burlington, New London, Mediapolis, West Point, Danville, Donaldson, Salem, Middletown, Franklin, St. Paul, New Boston, Pilot Grove, Croton, Iowa Army Ammunition Plant, Lowell, Denmark, Hudson and Revere. Take cover now. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pike County, western Adams County, northeastern Walls County, northeastern Marion County, northeastern Lewis County, until 2 p.m. At 1:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Canton to near Long Range to 7 miles northwest of Perry, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Quincy, Hannibal, Canton, Quincy Regional Airport, Payson, Mendon, Long Range, Fall Creek, Adams, Burton, United States, Hall, Lorraine, Plainville, Woodville, Lima, Coatesburg, Columbus, Meyer, and Marblehead. This includes the following highways: Interstate 172 between exits 2 and 19. Interstate 72 between exits 4 and 10. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornado County, northeastern Lee County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mediapolis to near Dallas City, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazard. County, northeastern Lee County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located. Warning sign. Middletown, Herman, Biggsville, and Gladstone. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Pike County, eastern Adams County, Brown County, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Golden to near Vandalia, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Sterling, Barry, Griggsville, Camp Point, Clayton, Golden, Beverly, Buckhorn, Long Range, Kingston, Liberty, Versailles, Richfield, Perry, New Canton, Kinderhook, Bayless, Chambersburg, New Salem, and Mount Station. This includes Interstate 72 near Exit 20. This also includes Plum Springs State Park. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
This is a test of the emergency alert system, originated by the Arizona Department of Public Safety. If this had been an actual emergency, important information or instructions would have followed the tones you just heard. This concludes this test.
Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 505, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock and Walworth, and Clinton, Iowa. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. County, Stark County, Knox County, West Central Tazewell County, Northern Mason County, Peoria County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Kewanee to near Rushville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Havana, Lewistown, Knoxville, Farmington, Elmwood, Princeville, Manitou, Wyoming, Cuba, Toulon, Hannah City, Astoria, Glassford, Trevoli, Osceola, Brimfield, Watauga, Bradford, and Oneida. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 51 and 84. Wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. This line of storms has a history of producing 70 miles per hour wind gusts in the Rockford area. Impact: expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Elgin, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana, the Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hunley, Campton Hills, Fox Lake, Harvard, Island Lake, Baringo, Cary, Pingree Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Johnsburg, and Lake Muir. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 56. This includes Elgin Community College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Moraine Hills State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Information.
Wow.